Thank you for joining us today, and I'm going to share with you, we're going to have a new subject that we're going to be teaching on concerning the second coming of the Mashiach, of the Messiah, and and also about the rapture of believers. There's a lot of confusion among believers today, not understanding there's two different separate events that will take place, and I believe coming very soon as well. I want to read from the book of Thessalonians, and I want to start it in 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 1. Now this is the Apostle Paul, or Shaul, writing, and he says in verse 1, "Now we beseech you, brethren, by the coming of our," and of course your regular English translation would say, "Lord Jesus Christ," but we know from our past studies that the accurate translation would be, "Now we beseech you, brethren, by the coming of Yahushua HaMashiach," that's the name of the Messiah, Yahushua of the Messiah, "and by our gathering together unto him." Now notice this verse says that he was speaking about the coming of Yahushua HaMashiach and our gathering together unto him. Now there's two things that are involved here. First is about the coming of the Mashiach, and also the gathering together of who? This is talking about believers. The gathering together unto him, unto the Mashiach. This is a definite reference, this second part here, to the rapture of believers, mention of Paul in 1 Thessalonians and 2 Thessalonians, which are going to read these verses. But I want to start in this particular chapter and these particular verses to point out that there's two separate events that's made reference to here. And as we go through our study, you'll begin to understand and see this. So this is just an introduction to let you know what's coming in the next few weeks. We're going to be teaching about the difference between the rapture and the second coming of the Mashiach. So be looking for, over the next few weeks, our series concerning this, and I know that you'll be blessed, and I want to thank you for it. Shalom.